Hello, right now we will go through all display settings on your Xiaomi Poco X7. So let's go into the settings, display and brightness, and right here we have all the display settings. So here you can change you can set up the light mode and the dark mode, as you can see. Here are also dark mode options, and you can switch to dark mode. That basically switches, your device will switch to dark mode around the scheduled time when you turn off the screen. You can also adjust text and backgrounds automatically, and here you can adjust dark mode. You can set up dark mode for individual applications. Next we have the screen brightness, basically changes the screen brightness. You can also enable auto brightness, as you can see. And here's the sunlight mode, which adjusts brightness to strong ambient light to prevent the screen from going too dark. Next we have the color scheme, which, as you can see, here are different types of color schemes. Here's the vivid, saturated, standard. Here are also advanced options, but this is pretty complex. Next we have right here we have the color temperature. We need to enable some other color scheme than the advanced, and here it changes the tint of your display, as you can see. Now that we have the red tint, pink tint, the green tint, as you can see. You can also change it to warm tint, cool tint. This is the custom value right here, and here's the default value. So that's it about the color scheme. Next we have the reading mode, which is actually, I believe, the blue light filter. And here are the two modes of this reading mode. The cycle, which achieves optimal comfort by adjusting colors automatically based on apps types and sunrise sunset times. And here's the classic, which switch to warm colors to reduce amount of blue light. As you can see, by going into this option you can change the blue light filter strength. And here's the texture. I do not really know what it does. Here we can also change the colors to light colors, black and white, as you can see. And you can also restore the default values. Alright, you can also set the schedule to turn on the reading mode on and off in a set period of time. Alright, next we can change the refresh rate. As you can see, we can change it to default, which is the 120 Hz, and here's the custom value. We can set up to 60 Hz and 120 Hz. So here also you can see the difference between the standard refresh rate and high refresh rate. And the last thing that we have right here are the fonts. And here, by going into these fonts, we are going to application themes, and here are a lot of different fonts to download. And your downloaded fonts are actually right here in the font settings. You can see I have one right here downloaded. So here you can change your font, you can change the size of your font, and by selecting Misance, this is the boldness of your font, and this actually works in this case with the Misance. It doesn't work with these two, so this option doesn't work with all of the fonts. So basically, yeah, that's all about all display settings. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.